I am confronted by a problem. I must work on this water line. However, this composter makes the access difficult. You know it's a composter because it says composter. It is not an expensive earth machine. This composter cost me perhaps $5 in paint on a broken trash can. This is an opportunity to show how effective a old trash can be as a composter. I will take it apart on camera. And I know many places to put this excellent soil from the composter, the $5 composter. This water line feeds not only my orange trees in the orchard, this water line also nurtures lemongrass and subtropical bananas. Very successful. Every time I wash the dishes, I nurture the garden in the orchard.